First thing you need to do is find the HDMI input on your MacBook, which is on the right side of it. After finding it, insert the HDMI cable. Now let's insert the other HDMI cable. As you can see, I have 3 HDMI input in my television or monitor. I will insert it in the HDMI 1 there. After inserting the HDMI cable, a notification will pop up on your television or your monitors. On your TV remote, click Source and click HDMI or HDMI 2, HDMI 3, wherever you inserted, and then this screen will pop up, or your Mac screen will show on the television or your monitor already. Now on your Mac screen, I want you to go to System Preferences, click Displays, and then these two windows will pop up, which is for your MacBook and on your television or monitor. I want you to click Display, Built-in Retina. For the monitor one, it has a smaller view, which is poor for the height side. Then you can change the arrangement or customize it. Then you can change the color if you want. But this is on your MacBook. In here, you have your monitor. So it has the same features as your MacBook Pro. You can change the color or the display. Now, to make sure that it has sound, go to sound on your MacBook, and then make sure the output is on your monitor. So just like this one. To make sure that it has sound, let's play a video. There, there's already a sound, so it means it's working perfect.